Welcome to your new home away from home, the wonderful and very affordable residence halls at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture. We offer students 3 options for on-campus living, and they are all conveniently within a 7-minute walking distance from any location on campus. Located on the west side of campus, Aggie West has spacious rooms with large windows. There are 2 types of rooms, double with communal showers and double with a private shower. This hall provides 2 laundry rooms, a lounge area with a kitchenette, and a recreation room. There is also a study room, 2 computers. It takes only 7 minutes to walk from Aggie West, which is on the far west edge of campus, to the Livestock Teaching Center, which is on the far east edge of campus. Next, we have the West Traditional Residence Hall, also called Tradish for short. It is a historic building that has been here for decades and was originally a men's dorm, but now, like our other residence halls, is co-ed. Tradish has single and double rooms with communal bathrooms. The main lobby includes computers and a lounge area. Near the main lobby is the laundry room and kitchenette. The lower level features another lounge area with recreational tables. Tradish is the least expensive housing option, and it is located in a lovely setting in the central part of campus near the cafeteria. Lastly, we have Aggie Central. It is the newest dorm building on campus and offers 4-person suite-style rooms. It is located north of Ag Hall and the cafeteria and is close to the Vet Tech building. When I say suite style, this means there are 2 bedrooms and a shared living area and bathroom. Aggie Central also has lounge areas on both floors which include computers and recreational tables. There are kitchenettes on both levels that also include laundry rooms. The residence halls at NCTA are very affordable. Your room and board cost is determined by your dorm building selection and meal plan choice. You will find the details on our website at ncta.unl.edu. Look for the tuition and costs page on the drop-down menu for more information. You can also find more information on residence life under the Campus Culture tab in the drop-down menu. Single rooms are available to students depending on our dorm capacity. These prices are shown on the NCTA website. All rooms come with basic furnishings and wireless internet. NCTA's supportive and safe living environment creates a student-centered learning experience that fosters the academic, social, and personal success of our students. For more information about on-campus living, visit ncta.unl.edu or call 1-800-3-CURTIS. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you will consider NCTA the potential next step in your life as you prepare for your future career.